Welcome to the train God used to reroute my life. There was a season in my life where everything I thought was stable, but it fell apart. Loss, disruption, moments I never saw coming. The kind that don't just change your plans, they change you. It was in that season that I boarded a train I now call the Reorient Express. I didn't board that train because I felt brave. I boarded it because, well, I had no other choice. The life I had known was gone. The future I imagined, well, it no longer fit. And I found myself asking God questions I never thought I would need to ask. I would get on my knees. Lord, how do I live now? How can anything good still come from this? What I now know, but didn't understand then, is that God often does his deepest work in the moments that feel devastating. Scripture tells us the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Psalm 34, verse 18. I didn't feel strong. I didn't feel faithful, to be honest. I felt undone. And yet God was closer than I realized. He was close in the aftermath of everything falling apart in my life. So I had a choice. I could stay on familiar tracks, even though they no longer led anywhere life-giving. Or I could trust God. I could trust him to reroute me, step by step, into something new. That rerouting didn't happen all at once. No. And it was hard at times. But it happened through small obediences, honest reflections, learning to stop measuring my life against others, and slowly allowing God to redefine success, purpose, and identity. Because comparison doesn't heal us. It keeps us stuck in grief and striving. God wasn't asking me to become someone else or like someone else. He was inviting me to come back to who he created me to be. And that journey became the Reorient Express. A reminder that God is not only the God of beginnings, he is the God of reroutes, of second chances, of restored purpose, of futures that look different, but are deeply, deeply good. No matter what has brought you here, no matter what you've lost, no matter what you have endured or survived, God is not finished with you. He redeems disruption. He restores what was broken, and he leads us forward with compassion and grace. My train was never out of his control, even when I was. I have boarded a new train, and I am on a journey with momentum, with purpose. And I know that God put me on this train. Thank you for listening.